Kehnosis.
Welcome to Kehnosis. In this video, you will learn 6 facts about the future of medicine. Make sure to stick to the end. The last one will surprise you. Number 1. Brain-computer. Right now, scientists are building devices that connect the human brain directly to machines. Think typing an email just by thinking about it. Beyond Neuralink, companies like Synchron have already implanted chips that let paralyzed patients move cursors with pure thought. In the future, brain implants could restore lost senses or functions, or even expand human memory. Number 2. CRISPR could edit your DNA like a Google Doc. CRISPR-Cas9 lets scientists cut, remove, or rewrite sections of your DNA. It's already been used to cure sickle cell anemia in clinical trials. In the near future, we could correct genetic disorders before birth, or even enhance traits like intelligence or immunity. Ethical debates? Huge. But the tech? Already here. Number 3. Robot surgeons don't blink. The Da Vinci surgical system and newer robots perform surgeries with tiny, steady movements far beyond human skill. They can operate through incisions smaller than a paper cut, leading to faster healing, less scarring, and fewer mistakes. Some experts believe that in just a few years, many surgeries might be entirely automated, with humans only supervising. Number 4. Pills from a 3D printer. 3D printed pills are being developed to combine multiple drugs into one perfectly dosed tablet, customized just for you. This means fewer side effects, better results, and medicine tailored to your DNA. Companies like FabRx are already printing medications in research labs today. Number 5. Nanobots. The next immune system? Imagine thousands of microscopic machines patrolling your body. They could repair damaged cells, deliver drugs directly to tumors, or clear out cholesterol from arteries. Harvard's Weiss Institute has even created DNA robots that can find and destroy cancer cells in lab tests. Real-life fantastic voyage? Closer than you think. Number 6. Digital twins of you. A digital twin is a full virtual model of your body, built from your medical data, genetics, and real-time biometrics. Doctors could test treatments on your twin before trying them on you. Siemens and Philips are already working on early versions for hearts and organs. The future? Diagnosing problems before you even feel symptoms. Like and subscribe to this channel and step into a future that's already here.